What's... Oh, y'all, guess who we have in the house? Frank? Frank, where are you? There you are. Frank, what you doing? What's up, little Frank? Say hey, everybody. Oh, nose. What's up, little Frankie?
Frank and Beans.
Frank and Beans in the house. There we go. That's what you were supposed to be doing. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, good boy?
Doesn't fit on the chest anymore.
Oh. Anyway, we have an unboxing. We got Frank in the house with his sister.
Oh, where's Grace? Grace is in her kennel.
Yeah, Grace is hiding. Oh, Frankie.
He's like, I just don't know what to do with all this attention. You don't fit on the chest anymore. Oh, have you got something to say?
Oh, what?
The look he gives, it's just priceless. He kind of observes and looks at you like you're crazy. Oh, there's Grace.
Hey, Gracie.
Hey, Grace.
Hey, good girl. No.
Bye.
Bye, Grace.
Grace. Okay. We're going to teach him all sorts of bad habits this week. You want the big one or the small one? You want the big or the small?
So that's fine.
What are you doing?
We're fine. Yeah, we're good. How about you?
Stop. Hey, what happened to your box?
What box?
That box.
The
Squished. You squished.
Oh, the garbage can box?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it
Squished it.
squished in the back corner right there. I got them like, you see how two sides since it's tearing?
Why?
Because it's tearing on the head, it's separating, so
After 20 years, that box is finally tearing.
that box is, we're gonna have to go
That is
buy.
the most well-made box ever.
I duct taped it several times.
Okay. I could just buy us a tall.
She wants to buy us a tall garbage can, and I think that's ridiculous because we've got a perfectly good garbage can right there. We can add way more layers of duct tape and make it hold up.
Okay.
What's up, y'all? We have an unboxing.
Yeah,
Okay, we have an unboxing. Hey, this is for Ian. So Pete Woodfine apparently won. Yay!
It was for Ian.
It was for Ian. It's not for Ian anymore. It's for possibly Lock Forest. Singing, and I wasn't really planning on doing an unboxing. Ian pulled a Pete. Y'all might recognize this place, CLK. They're one of their Lock Boss drawings. And I guess we're going to call it pulling a Pete now. But anyway, long story short is he had it forwarded to us. CLK does not send out to international, so they had it sent here. And they didn't want to send it, or they couldn't send it overseas or something. I'm not sure. But here, Pete's prize, if you missed it in Saturday Morning Live, Season 3, Episode 2 or 3. There it is. There it is. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here's what Pete won, y'all. So let's get started with the surprise CLK Lock Boss giveaway thing that Pete won and forwarded to us. So let's take a look. I think episode 3. I think I need cutters for this. It's pretty well.
Here, give it to you.
It's pretty well. Look, it's got a little smiley face on it too. Come just said inquiring minds want to know. We want to know what's in here. Yeep. Little smiley face. Oh, no. What are you doing over there? Oh, Kim's doing something. Yeep.
Last time you fought with it for a while.
How does this box work? There we go. Careful there. Careful there.
My fingers are away from it. Thank you.
Careful there. Nope. Other side.
I like the packing tape.
Yeah, it looks familiar. I bet they don't lick theirs like we licked all ours. No, we didn't lick them, y'all. It's... How do you... Oh, watch out. Don't point that thing at me.
Well, then get out of the way.
How do you open this
I
thing?
was just trying to get into the box.
I don't think this is the way to open this box, but this is how we're opening it. Hey, get... Oh, where are you going?
Jeez, FedEx.
Oh. Always cut away from you.
It's a box in a box.
It is a box in a box. This box.
Well, I told you to get out of the way.
Well packaged. Watch out. You just gonna unbox it?
Oh, very nice. Okay, thank you.
Ugh, good lord. Feels like a pen and sounds like a pen and kit. That's it. Nope. I'm just gonna break down the box so it doesn't become a...
I guess that would be disappointing. Nobody will ever know. Ian will never know what it is he won and sent to us. Huh. Interesting. Okay, unboxing over.
There we go. This is an American Master Abus Padlock Pin Kit. Oh.
Over.
Hey, it's the lock force view. Sorta. Oh, it's a pinning mat for starters.
Okay, this is all you. Oh,
Take
wait,
over.
one more.
Uh-oh, hold up. I'm not quite done yet. Whoa.
Oh, gosh.
What did she drop?
I don't know.
Oh, something fell out.
Okay, well,
Oh, man, I'm just gonna
okay.
come.
There you go.
Okay. Be careful moving it. All right, here we go. It's okay, let's see what the card says. You threw away the card. They always do a card. Hey, Pete. Hey, Ian. We wanted to personally thank you for participating in our weekly giveaway. And for your support, we are glad you enjoy our content. And we appreciate you being part of our channel. We all think you're awesome. Big smiley face. And wish you the best in locksmithing world. Feel free to post on social media and share it with us. We would love to give you a shout out. Share with us by tagging us CLK Supplies and Lock Boss. Thanks for being a Lock Boss. We love to see giveaway items in use. Signed, everybody at CLK. Okay, so there you go, Pete. So there we go. We have us a American Master and Abus Padlock Pin Kit. Pin and mat, CLK Supplies. It's a big one. Let's take a look at it. See if we can get into it maybe a little bit easier than we did the other box. And a beanie. Is this one of his beanies? This is a beanie, I believe.
Oh, you need a beanie.
Hey.
Here, I was gonna say I'm coming. I'm coming.
Yes, that is a beanie. And this is a Specialty Products pin kit, a metal one. Ooh. Metal kit. Okay, what do we have? We have a Shuki Shrum tool. That's an actual Carolina roller. So that is the real deal. Stab yourself in the thumb thingamajigger. Whoop. Oh, pins and shiny and hold on. Danger tool. Look, we have not quite a danger tool, but we've done a video on the non-CLK version of this, the Lock Monkey one. I'll put a link up here in the corner. They are pretty handy. I'm actually using mine. We got a pickle fork, a CLK pickle fork too. Look at that. It's See, I didn't know CLK had his own pickle fork. It's not very pickly colored though. Ooh, nice pair of tweezers. Look at that. That is long. Okay, so that is that's pretty nice. Pinamat, beanie. This stuff, this would probably be the easiest to get to him. Sorry about all the noise, but they're chopping the sidewalk up the street there. So that is honestly, that's the longest pair of pin and tweezers that I've seen. And then we got some lock shims. Got extra thin shim stock 25 pieces and shim stock 20 regular and extra thin. Hey, that's interesting to know. And as well, one of these little cap removal tools with a follower on the other end called the mullet. I'm sure he also has videos of all this stuff up there. A nice pin and mat. So there you go. That's what Pete won. Pin and kit that I honestly don't really need. Frank! Frank, what you doing? What's up, good boy? Alrighty, y'all. Thanks for watching. Congrats, Pete. We'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do. Tell you what, we'll hold on to that until next time we were sending you something anyway. How about that? That way it'll just tag along with it. What's that? That is a plastic quickset. And we'll send you this plastic quickset spindle. No, I'm just joking. Anyway, that is it. So shout out to Ian for having it sent to us. We can redistribute some of those things to the Lock Force community in special giveaways that we do giving away giveaways. I don't know how that all happened. I don't mean for it to happen, but they can't get it, so they had it sent to us, and then we'll just, I don't know, we'll get it away. Like I said, we'll somehow work something out. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know.
You just don't know. Maybe Frank will bring it to him.
So anyway, thanks again. Shout out to CLK Supplies. They do their weekly giveaway, so make sure you're over on their channel and participate in their giveaways. Just don't be international. Domestic only, because at some point I'm going to get an email from them saying this is not going to work. But rest assured, I'm not keeping it all. I'm going to somehow redistribute it to the Lock Force community. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all.
Bye, guys.
We'll catch you next video. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, y'all, and we'll catch you next video. Gotcha.